yeah, burger away for the now. So burger left. And you're still on the iPhone, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I go lower than that? Or? That's good. You tell me. That's good?
It's funny when his dad cutting his hair for the first time, he's crying and look how he just sit down now.
Big boy, man. He comes to this barbershop for the man never at, you know? Yeah.
I just cut his hair, kind of have braids.
Oh, so you just like that?
Yeah. Tickle?
No, it tickles in the back. So it does. Good job. That's a good boy. You're doing so well, man. I'm proud of you. Hey, Jane, I cut you. But you find out the cars are more expensive now, used cars, I think? Yeah. Price did go up. Average of 3 or 4 grand, it went up. Price.
Especially like trucks and vans.
Yeah. Big deal. Yeah, man. That's why right now used car companies with high-end cars, they don't have to sell it to you. They'll wait. Because somebody will come buy. Yeah, man. All I have to do is them chips for the new cars. You couldn't get the chip to make the new cars. People start buying the used cars back again.
Yeah, it's like a backlog of those.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So the Americans then come up here and buy up all the trucks, every car, even the used car. They used to come get the trucks. Now they come and get everything.
Yet now, the first flight carrying Americans leaves Afghanistan for the first time since the U.S. withdrawal, as the Taliban tightens their grip on the country. And taking tennis by storm, 2 teenagers shining bright at the U.S. Open. Tennis legend Venus Williams joins us to talk about that and why she wants more Americans to focus on their mental health. Thanks for being here, everybody. We begin this hour with President Biden's big announcement. Today, the president will deliver what the White House is calling a major speech on his strategy to tackle the pandemic, including a major announcement that Biden will now require all federal workers to be vaccinated with no testing.
Yeah, wow.
One comment put to tell CNN it is a six-point plan that Biden will be laying out. And here is where the urgency comes from. These numbers, this data, these graphics, the U.S. is averaging 1,500 deaths.
You like that?
From coronavirus right now. Efforts to get more people vaccinated.
Do a thumbs up.
You're almost finished, okay?
In the last week. And with coronavirus